What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for coming back to watch another one of my videos. And if you're new, thank you for checking your girl out. Why did I do that? What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for coming back to watch another one of my videos. And if you are new, thank you for checking your girl out. So today's video, I am bringing the drama. We're going full glam. We're going dramatic smoky eye. I love a good smoky eye. This is nothing new. And I wanted to go ahead and create another one for y'all. So if you're interested in seeing how I was able to achieve this look and what products I use, then definitely keep on watching because I'm about to show you how to do it, girl. All right, so my brow's not working with me, my wig's not working with me. What we're not gonna do is talk about it, okay? We're just gonna act like nothing, we're gonna act like it's all right up in here, okay? And I'm trying out a new way to sync my audio, so hopefully I can get rid of the crackly noise that you hear in the background of my videos. I don't know what it is, but I'm trying to work on it, okay? All right, so I'm feeling really dramatic today, and I'm gonna go for a full-on smoky eye. Can't nobody tell me nothing. Dang. It's gloomy outside, and I just want to bring the drama. So to start off, I'm gonna be using, you know, Anastasia Soft Glam palette. Love the stuff. I've done 2 videos on it now. You need to check them out. I'll link them in one of the cards somewhere. All right, so I'm gonna start off by using Sienna, and that's gonna be a transitional color. I'm in love with this color. It's so pretty. Now, I'm not sure what kind of dramatic smoky eye I'm going for, but I just know that it's gonna be dramatic. Okay, it's gonna be dramatic. Do y'all see how easy that was to just blend onto my lid? There's a lot of kickback in this palette, which is kind of annoying, but I'm working with it. I'm also going to be taking Sienna on my lower lash line as well. All right, now that we kind of look like we have red eye, we're gonna go ahead and take Noir, and we're just gonna put that in the outer crease. Not gonna bring it too far in, just on the outer V. And just blend, 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 blend. We're gonna go back to that later, but pulling out my favorite palette ever, my Urban Decay Heavy Metals palette. I'm gonna start off by taking the color Ground. We're gonna use that as our all over lid color, but before we place that down, I'm gonna be taking my NYX glitter primer and putting that down as a base on my lid. This will just help the shadow to stick really nicely to my lid and give me less fallout with the shadow, even though there isn't a ton. I know y'all seeing this. I know you're seeing how gorgeous the shadow is. I'm gonna use my finger instead because that brush is not working for me. It's just taking me a little too long. Just use the finger, hopefully it works better. Yep, much better. Just gonna go in with like another brush just to help blend those harsh edges. Gonna just blend it out into the crease a little bit. Ooh, okay. Now we're gonna take Spanked, and that's right below it, just because this has like bluey, silvery reflex. I'm gonna put a little bit of purple in it with Spanked. I'm gonna use my finger again. I'm just gonna apply that all over my lid. I like that, yes. Should I be extra and put on more color? I'm thinking I'm going to be extra, and I'm gonna take Dive right here, honey. Dive. It's blue. I'm gonna also apply that, but instead of applying it all over the lid like I did with Spanked and Ground, I'm gonna apply this strictly in the center. That's gorgeous. And now we're gonna blend for our lives in the crease. Just blend, just blend. This might take you a minute, it might take you a million years. It's okay, just blend. Actually, it's blending really nicely. Alright, now I'm gonna go back in with Noor from the Anastasia palette. This one right here that we had placed in our outer third. I'm just gonna reapply that color. And blend. I'm also going to take Noor and I'm going to place that really close to the waterline on my lower lash line. Alright y'all, so the eyes are almost done. Off camera, I'm going to go ahead and apply my mascara and some Black Cold eyeliner to the waterline and finish up my face, and we'll be back to finish up the eyes, so hang tight. And I'm back. Okay, so I went ahead and did my face off camera as I said I would. I'm just gonna go ahead and highlight with y'all. So to highlight, I'm gonna be using my Fenty Beauty highlighter and Chic Freak. Yes, I have not repaired her yet. Don't ask me why. I'm just lazy. And as I've mentioned in my previous videos, I do like to highlight first because then it allows my blush to kind of shine through. Sorry, it allows the highlight to shine through under my blush, and that way I don't get it doesn't look super stark and just like a line of highlight on my face. I think it this way is more natural, but yet like serves its purpose of giving a really nice highlight. For blush, I want to keep it really natural since the eyes are so powerful. I'm gonna take this color right here from my e.l.f. blush quad. Apply it onto my cheeks. I'm gonna put it mainly like where I did put my bronzer, which was the Anastasia bronzer. I'm still loving it. It's great. But I like to put my blush towards the back of my cheek and not so much right on the center. That way I'm not bringing it too far into my face, because then I'll get rid of the highlighted look. And with my eyes so heavy or powerful, I want to make sure that I still look highlighted in the center of my face. So today I'm putting the blush towards the back of my cheeks. Okay, so that's my face done. I'm just gonna go ahead and quickly finish up the eyes. So to finish up the eyes, we just need a little inner tear duct pop, okay? So to make that happen, I'm gonna be using aluminum from the same palette we've been using this whole time, the Urban Decay Heavy Metals. And the eyes are done. So we're just gonna go straight into lips. For my lips, I'm gonna be using the NYX Lip Liner in Chestnut. As you can see, I brought the brown really far into my lip. That's just because we're using a really nude color. So I'm gonna be using NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in London. Put that in the center of my lips. And I'm gonna take the Butter Gloss lip gloss from NYX in Madeline and put that in the center as well, right over London. All right, so I finally went ahead and took off my scarf. This is the final look. What do y'all think? I love it. It's very dramatic. It's very full on. Okay, this is definitely something I would wear out on a night out. Not to the club though, because if you sweat in the club, you're gonna be leaving looking like you got 2 black eyes, and you don't want to do that to yourself, girl. Don't do it to yourself. But this is definitely a really nice dramatic look to wear out on the town at night. If you like it, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment. Hey, subscribe while you're at it. If you aren't already subscribed, I mean, you might as well, okay? If you would like to see more content from me, be sure to be back here next Monday, because I upload a new video every Monday, okay? I'm always here every Monday to give y'all some sort of a look, to hang out with y'all, you know, to help you relax a little, talk about makeup and whatever comes to mind. So I hope y'all subscribe, and until then, I will see you next time. Bye!